We've now been joined by the Honorable Nydia Velazquez, who is the Congresswoman here, and I know she is incredibly busy and has joined us, and Senator Sessions and I have both agreed that you wouldn't have to stay for questions. She is currently serving her 9th term as representative for New York's 12th Congressional District. She was the first Puerto Rican woman elected to the U.S. House of Representatives and currently serves as the chairwoman of the Congressional Hispanic Caucus, chair of the House Small Business Committee, and a senior member of the Financial Services Committee. And because you missed the swearing in, we will do that now. This is the Senate Judiciary Committee, so welcome. Could you raise your right hand? Do you affirm that the testimony that you are about to give before the committee is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sure.
Thank you. You have 5 minutes, Congresswoman, and we're honored to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you. Madam Chairman, Ranking Member, and the members of the committee, I have known Sonia Sotomayor for over 20 years. In fact, when I was first elected to Congress in 1993, I asked her to administer my oath of office. I can tell you personally that she is a grounded and professional individual. And over the last 3.5 days, all of us have been able to see her considerable legal ability impressively displayed. Hispanics everywhere are proud that such a distinguished legal talent hails from our community. We have all been energized by her nomination. But of course, that is not the reason why she should be confirmed. The case for Judge Sotomayor's confirmation is built on her vast experience, keen intellect, and tremendous qualifications. It is not that Judge Sotomayor does not have a compelling life history. She does. As so many have already pointed out, hers is a uniquely American story, one that begins in the Bronx projects and ultimately reaches the highest echelons of our legal system. This background instilled within her the belief that hard work is rewarded, and the knowledge that with the right combination of talent and effort, anything is possible in America. These core values propelled Sonia Sotomayor to remarkable heights. As her career progressed, she managed to reach nearly every level of the legal system. With each new step, she excelled not only as a prosecutor and a litigator, but also as an appellate judge. And yet, throughout that process of achievement, she never once lost touch with her roots or her Bronx neighborhood. Instead, she augmented her vast legal experience with common sense understanding of working class America. That appreciation will add a valuable perspective to the Supreme Court. Make no mistake, the stakes are high for Hispanic Americans. The Supreme Court will rule on many matters that are critical to our community, from housing policy to voting rights. These are delicate issues. With many of these matters, passion runs deep on both sides. Resolving them fairly will require objectivity, impartiality, and an unwavering commitment to the rule of law. Judge Sotomayor's record demonstrates these qualities. She has a reputation as a non-ideological jurist, someone who chooses not to spar with those who think differently, but to instead find common ground. When working with Republican appointees, colleagues, Sotomayor's record will show that 95% of the time she managed to forge consensus. She was able to do this because she commands a sophisticated grasp of legal arguments and has a keen awareness of the law's effects on every American. When the Congressional Hispanic Caucus reviewed a broad range of qualified Supreme candidates. These were the traits we were looking for. We were looking for individuals who upheld constitutional values, exhibited a record of integrity, and had a profound respect for our Constitution. It is our overwhelming belief that Judge Sotomayor meets these criteria. That is why we enthusiastically and unanimously endorse her nomination. Senators, the decision before the committee today is one of your greatest responsibility. I know this is something none of you on either side of the aisle take lightly, but I believe Judge Sotomayor's record of judicial integrity, impartiality, and as she puts it, fidelity to the law is one we can all admire, regardless of party or ideology. If confirmed, Judge Sotomayor's service on the court will bring great pride to the Hispanic community. That goes without saying. But more importantly, it will add another objective, disciplined legal talent to that august body. Thank you again for the opportunity to testify. I look forward to answering any question. Either you can send it to my office, but we are voting right now, and I really, really appreciate the opportunity that you have given me on behalf of the Congressional Hispanic Caucus.
Thank you so much, Congresswoman Velazquez, and that was an eloquent and personal statement that means a lot to us, and you've contributed much to the hearing.
Thank you. I know her well. I know her heart, her soul, her intellect, but most importantly, her temperament and integrity. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, Congresswoman Velazquez.